So assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to our new video. So in today's video we are going to cover more about the CSS. So make sure कि आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लिया और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दिया ताकि जब भी हम अपने चैनल पर न्यू वीडियो अपलोड करें तो आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन रिसीव हो जाए। एंड ऑल्सो मेक श्योर कि आपने हमारा जो चैनल है वो सब्सक्राइब कर लेना है और बेल आइकन को भी दबा देना है। और आपने हमारे रिसेंट अपलोडेड वीडियोस को भी अच्छे से देख लेना है। सो आज हम कवर करेंगे हु क्रिएट्स एंड मेंटेन CSS क्रिएटेड एंड मेंटेन थ्रू ए ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल विद इन द W3C called the CSS working group. The CSS working group creates documents called specifications. When a specification has been discussed and officially ratified by the W3C members, it becomes a recommendation. These ratified specifications are called recommendations. Because the W3C has no control over the actual implementation of the language, independent companies and organizations create that software. The WWW consortium or W3C is a group that makes recommendations about how the internet works, how it should evolve. CSS version cascading style sheets level 1 came out of W3C as a recommendations in December 1996. This version describes the CSS language as well as a simple visual formatting model for all the HTML tags. CSS2 became a W3C recommendation in May 1998 and built as CSS1. This version adds support for media-specific style sheets, for example, printers and oral devices, downloadable fonts, element positioning, and tables. CSS comprises of style rules that are interpreted by the browsers, then applying the corresponding elements in your document. A style rule is made of three parts. Selector. A selector is an HTML tag at which style which is applied. This could be any tag, h1 or table. Property. A property is a type of attribute of a HTML tag. Put element. Put simply all the HTML attributes are converted into CSS properties. They could be color, border, etc. values. Values are assigned to properties. For example, color property can have value either red or F1, etc. You can put CSS style rule syntax as follows: selector, property, value, table border. You can define a table border as follows: table border 1x 1 pixel solid. Here a table is a selector and border is a property and given value. 1 pixel is the value of that property. You can define selector in various simple ways based on your comfort. Let me put these selectors one by one. The type selectors. This is the same selector we have seen above. Again, one more example. To give a color to all level 1 headings. H1 color 36. The universal selectors rather than selecting elements for a specific type. The universal selector quite simply matches the name of any element type color. This rule renders the content of every element in our document in black. The descendant selectors suppose you want to apply a style rule to a particular element only when it lies inside a particular element, as given in the following example. Style rule will apply to M element only when it lies inside UL cell. The class selectors.